Yo, what's up, JDM fans? And in today's video, I am going to be giving you a tutorial on how to do the 2024 Halloween event in Greenville. So, before we do that, I have some announcements to make. First of all, thank you guys so much for over 3,000 subscribers. Guys, this is just absolutely amazing. If it weren't for you guys, I would not be in this position. Thank you guys so much. It really means a lot to me. The second announcement is on why I haven't been posting. The reason why is because during the summer, we were doing so many stuff, and when summer was over, I had to get back in school and I had to start studying a lot more. But I'm back now, so today we are going to be doing the 2024 Halloween event. Pumpkin King, behold, I am here to take your souls and engines. I am the Pumpkin King. What's that? You think you can defeat me? I'm not so sure. I propose a contest, a battle, to see who is really the king of these streets. Do you accept? Nah. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Don't worry, guys. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna be doing the event. Let's just wait for all the. Alright. Teleporting to the event.
Pumpkins in the night, engines roar with eerie light. Fear fuels every fight.
So essentially, what you do is you drive in the pumpkin car, and you have to shoot at the Pumpkin King until he's dead. So what you have to do is you have to get close to him and use this icon to click on him, and then his stamina will go down. So now that you know that, enjoy the footage of me taking down this guy. You do realize that you have a lot less stamina than me, and I'm literally kicking your butt right now. You do realize that, right? Got him. Oof, missed. How did I miss that, bro? What? Oh yeah, you really think so? Okay, then, and maybe that this year for Halloween, a lot of things are gonna happen to people since they have pumpkins. Oh yeah, that won't happen because it's not real. Again, you have a lot less stamina than me. So it's either that I think it's probably that you don't realize that, Pumpkin King. By the way, guys, I'm talking to the Pumpkin King. I'm not trying to roast any of you. I'm just talking to the Pumpkin King as a joke. As a joke. Let me think. No. Alright. Come on. Yes. No, no, no. Okay. Oh, good. I didn't lose stamina. You already said that. Okay. Um, we'll see about that. No. Ooh, no, no, no. Come on. Like I said, no. No. I am not ready to meet my end. I'm literally kicking your butt right now. You do realize that, Pumpkin King, right? Oh crap. Oh, my stamina's so low. No. Ooh. Yes. Oh. Like I said, no, this is like the 4th time you're asking me, bro. Come on, almost there. Almost there, baby. Ooh, yes. It's super low. Oh, no. Yo, no, no, no. I flipped. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was so close. Yes. Yes!
In the darkness I will wait till next harvest comes.
Take that. So, whoa, 150,000? Oh my god. Whoa. So, essentially, your award is the pumpkin car and $150,000 cash. That is crazy. So, let's continue. And I'm also going to do a review of the pumpkin car. So, yeah, let's do that. Oh, got my daily rewards. Nice, got some money. Okay, so now I have the pumpkin car right here. This thing is actually super detailed. This is actually one of the very few cars that actually has an interior. So let's start it up. Hold on. Okay, so let's start it up. Alright, that startup was pretty nice. So now let's do a rev test. So, sounds pretty good. Okay, so now we're going to do a top speed and braking test. Holy crap, this thing is kind of quick actually. What? This thing is quick. Oh my god. Okay, so now let's do 0 to top speed test. Whoa, this thing is quick. So let's see the top speed. So this thing is a 6-speed with a top speed of 153 miles per hour. So let's do a 60 to braking test. Whoa, these brakes are actually really good. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for over 3,000 subscribers. I will see you in the next video. Peace.